What if you're going to convert from one type of concentration into another? Okay? Same strategy, basically the same strategy, but you're going to need one additional piece of information, and that's density. So whatever that quantity is that you know in terms of volume, okay, you can change that to mass using the density. What's the relationship between volume and mass? Density is mass over volume, right? So if you have a type 1 concentration, assume a volume of any volume of the solution. That's a good strategy to use. Then use the density to calculate the mass of the solution. If you're using a type, if you know the type 2 concentration, then assume any value for the amount of solvent or solution. Okay, assume a value for the mass or moles of solution or solvent. Then figure out the mass of the solution. And once you know the mass of your solution, you use the density to change that to volume of solution. And then you can figure out all the amounts you need to calculate whatever concentration unit you're interested in. Let's illustrate that with conversion from molarity, from percent by weight to molarity. Okay. If you have a concentrated hydrochloric acid solution, it's 37% by weight HCl in water. The density is 1.2 grams per mil. So what are we going to assume here? I know percent by mass, so what's a good assumption to make? Okay, so 100 grams of solution, right? If I have 100 grams of solution, can I figure out the volume of solution? Density is mass over volume, right? How do I solve for volume? Mass over density, right? What's the mass of my solution? 100 grams of solution divided by density of my solution is 1.20 grams per mil. Okay. So what's the volume of my solution? 100 divided by 1.20. 83.33. So it's 83.33 milliliters. Keeping in mind, I only have 3 sig figs here since 1.20 only has 3 sig figs. So that's 8.333 times. Okay, I'm just gonna keep that like that. I can say it's 83.33 milli means 10 to the negative third, right? So times 10 to the negative third liters. So I know my volume. What other information do I need to calculate molarity? Moles of solute, right? Do I know moles of HCl? If I have 100 grams of solution, how much of that is HCl? That gives me 37.0 grams of HCl. Can I change grams to moles? Yeah. So let's calculate our molarity here. Molarity is moles of HCl over volume of solution, right? And what's our moles of HCl? 37.0 grams HCl times 1 mole of HCl. What's the molar mass? You remember? 36.46 grams. Okay. So grams HCl cancels out. Okay. What's my volume of solution? We already figured it out. It was 83.33 times 10 to the negative third liters. So that gives me 37 divided by 36.46. 1.015. We did this calculation earlier, huh? Moles, 3 sig figs, divided by 83.3 times 10 to the negative 3 liters. divided by 83.33 times 10 to the negative third. That gives me 12.2 moles per liter. Okay. Remember we said concentrated HCl is 12 molar. It's 16 molar, it's 12 molar. Okay.